Hello sewing people of the internet. In this video I'm going to show you a little bit about how I made this Tyvek Rolltop lightweight backpack. I usually save this stuff for the end, but if you haven't stayed around to the end, I have some pretty cool t-shirts and coffee mugs and some other merchandise available through Teespring. If you look below this video, you might see a shelf of products available, or I'll put a link in the description. It really helps me out if you like any of this stuff and you want to buy it from me. I made this pack to satisfy a particular need. I was going on a group paddle outing that was going to be about 10 miles. I wanted to bring some extra stuff with me. I needed something that was at least water resistant, and because there was going to be like 650 people there, I wanted something that was unique and couldn't accidentally on purpose be picked up by someone else. If you see this, you'll know it's mine because that's me on it. So, and by the way, this is relatively cheesy and amateurish Sharpie art. No apologies, this is what I was able to do. But I'm curious about using Sharpie and other things on Tyvek and how long Tyvek will last in a finished product. It seems pretty durable so far, the experience I've had so far. But I don't want to put 40 hours of work into making something out of a material that might not last a year, or I don't even know. I have no idea how long this stuff might last. So I'm still experimenting with it. Do you have experience working with Tyvek, or you have something that's lasted a long time? Post it in the comments section. I'd love to know about it. Anyway, in this video, I just give you kind of an overview of how I made this pack. If you want more detail, this pack is basically a stripped down version of the Rolltop backpack from the 4-part tutorial I did. So you can definitely check that out if you want more information. I started this project by consulting the drawings and sketches that I made for the original prototype of the Rolltop backpack that I did for the tutorial a while back. About 6 years ago, a friend of mine gave me a big piece of Tyvek, and I'm still going through it. For this project, I wanted the pack to be all white, so I made sure to lay out the pieces on sections that didn't have any printing or writing on them. Tyvek is very easy to slide cut with sharp scissors. You do have to go carefully though, because it's very easy for your cut to wander off the line. Pro tip, working around a cat makes your lines straighter. Priorities. To make my Sharpie art, I knew that I wanted to duplicate a particular photo of myself, and I'm not good enough of an artist to just draw it. So I picked up some carbon paper from my local office supply store. For those of you unfamiliar with this ancient technology, the way it works is you put a piece of paper with whatever you want drawn on top of it, and then you trace over the picture with a pencil, and that way you can transfer the image onto your material. Okay, I know you can't see it now, but there are trace marks that I can follow with the Sharpie. Right? The likeness is uncanny. I decided to just have a mesh pocket on the front of the pack as sort of a catch-all for miscellaneous things. Among my various stash boxes, I have this one that has ribbon and elastic in it, and I dug around in it until I found the elastic that I thought would work best. This is just some random thin elastic. I did the usual attachment for the strap bottoms, just a square folded into a triangle and then folded again. I bet you can't guess what's in this stash box.
Hi, it's okay. That was just a UPS guy. Yeah, it's okay. Good girl.
For the first shoulder strap, I stitched down the 1-inch webbing in several places, and to make sure that the straps matched each other, I just laid them out next to each other and marked those locations on the second strap. I made this strap attachment basically the same as I did on the tutorial backpack. The only difference is I didn't put a grab handle on it, and I kind of wish I had. I'm not sure what was going on with it, but I started having some problems with the Singer 348, so I switched to my Singer 237 to finish the project. 2 days after finishing the bag, I went to the paddle event And we only got about a mile out before the weather turned on us and we had to abandon the paddle. So much for that. Later in the day, I did get to go out on a paddle on my own, and the bag worked perfectly well, and I haven't submerged it in the water, but it does seem to be at least splash proof. I hope you liked this video. If you did, click on the like button. If you're not already a subscriber, I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. If you like the paddleboard stuff, you can follow me on Instagram and also on my other channel, the Jason Wins. I'll put links to those below. Thanks for watching.